Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon,
Done that
Good afternoon,
math homework.
Yes,
ma'am.
Vita.
Ma'am, I have done that maths homework.
देख लेगी
Okay, ma'am.
homework तो बड़ा है यार हाँ
Okay, Musa, that's fine.
Ma'am, C.
Where is he?
Ma'am, this one. 4 sevens are 28.
Yes, perfect, perfect. Anybody else who's done the homework? There was just one sum.
Ma'am, I have now only done.
Yeah, that's completely
Ma'am, I
fine.
have forgot the homework.
Okay, just try and do it now, Vita.
लगा के दे सकती हूँ
Yes, Kinda.
Ma'am, can you do now? Because I forgot the homework.
Okay, that's not a problem. You can do it right now. I'm giving you 2 minutes. I'm just sharing my screen. Quickly, we'll be doing. And last 5 minutes, we'll play. 5 minutes.
अच्छा पहले बताओ मैं
In the
ये देखो,
last 5
खाओ
minutes,
पहले।
Vita will play. I promise.
खाने का भी है
Last 5 minutes. Okay?
खाओ पहले लाइट अपन
Ma'am, can you mute everyone? Can you mute Nida?
Nida. Please
Ma'am, she
mute
is
everybody.
eating.
Mute yourselves.
Ma'am, she is eating and talking, so can you mute Nida?
She's muted herself. Thank you, Nida. See, I told you, my kids have become big enough. I don't need to shout at them. They know how to behave. They know how to attend online class. They've become big and they've become responsible. Thank you, everybody. Wow, that's great. Okay. Where were we? Which question were we at? Did we do 28? Was 28 over or were we supposed to do 28?
We are supposed to do.
Okay. So,
Ma'am, can I do?
yes, either by multiplication. Yes, but you can do it on the screen. Please do it.
Okay, ma'am.
Either
C.
by multiplication or division, we want number 28. Wow, we've got Mariam
Yes.
also. Everybody is with their notebooks, all the test books.
Ma'am, 4 sevens are 28. 4 sevens are
4
28.
sevens are 28.
Okay, and divide 28. Okay, 28. Yes, perfect. 4 sevens are 28. Okay.
Yes, wait, ma'am.
Ma'am, 14. 14, ma'am.
What is 14? The next number? Yes,
No, ma'am.
Priya.
What is. No, wait.
What is the page number?
Yeah,
I'll just tell you the page number. Page 62.
62. Ma'am, 62.
Okay, the next number is 33. 33.
yes.
When will we get 33? In what table do we get 33?
Ma'am, can you write the 9? Ma'am, where we have to write?
You have to write in
11 threes are.
E
Ma'am,
I.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
11 threes are 33.
Yes, 11 threes are 33. Perfect.
Where do we have to write in 9?
11 multiplied by 3 is equals to 33.
33. 34.
Or what we can do is, we'll just do it by division also, okay? We'll divide by 2. We'll divide by 2. But what number we have to divide? We'll divide 66 by 2. 66 by 2.
66 by 2.
Okay, so when do we get 6 in 2's table?
2 3s are 6. 2 3s
2
are 6.
3s are 6. 2 3s are 6.
Perfect. Everybody will be noting it down along with me and then showing it to me on the screen. Six minus 6 is 0. Then what do? We bring this 6 down. Now when do we get 6 and 2 stable, beta?
6 and 2 stable. 3. Ma'am, 2, 3, 6.
Perfect.
Ma'am, 33 divided by 0.
66 divided by 2 is 33. We'll just write it over here, okay?
Ma'am, do we have to write it double time like 11 3s also and 66 also?
Yes, you can write both the options, whatever is comfortable, but as for now, write both of them. 66
Ma'am, done.
divided by 2 is equals to 33. So we've given both the examples of multiplication as well as division, okay? That is
Ma'am,
question
see.
number I. Now 34.
Wait, ma'am. Ma'am, see. Can you see?
Yes, Arhan, I want to see your work. Arhan, please show it to me. Where you've noted.
Ma'am, in the right
I'm 17 2s are
Very good.
34. 17 2s are 34.
Yes.
Ma'am, in second line we have to write na 66 multiplied 2
In the
is
I.
equal to 33.
No, beta, in the I option, you have to write two. One is multiplication or division. In the I part. This is a solution for the I part. What we will do here?
Wait a second,
is-
I'm writing.
Okay, so now we'll be doing 34. What is 34? When do we get 34 in?
I'm 17 2s are 34. 17
Yes,
2s are
17 2s are 34. 17 multiplied by 2 is equals to 34.
Ma'am, is there also division option? To 34?
Yes, you can do it by division also, but what for 34, if you want to divide by 2, you have to take 68 divided by 2. 68 divided by 2.
Can I write in the answer both of them?
Ma'am, can you mute everybody?
Okay, I'll mute everyone. Give me a second.
Ma'am, 68 divided by 2.
But if I mute, then in case you have any doubt, how will I come to know?
2 1 2, 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is
Ma'am,
8.
66 divided by 2 or 68 divided by 2?
68 divided by 2.
2 1 2, 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8. Ma'am, I got it.
Yes,
2
68.
4 is 8. 34.
Yes, 68 divided by 2.
2.
So,
Ma'am, can I write in every column 2?
2 3 is 6.
yes, 2 3s are
One division and one multiplication.
6. Yes, right.
Minus
Then-
0.
yes, then it will become 0. And
We will bring it down.
will bring down. My 8 looks
2
for
4 is 8. 2 4 is 8.
Yes, 2 4s are 8.
Minus 0.
That's how it looks. I'm not able to even write it. Okay, so what will be the answer over here?
Ma'am, it will be 30. No.
No, 68 divided by 2.
34.
68
There will be 34 groups of 2.
is equals to.
Ma'am, divided.
And there will, yes,
Why
ma'am.
are we dividing it by 2? I explained you in my last lecture. Do you all remember? Why are we dividing by 2 and not by any other number?
Because
Ma'am,
we
can we
all
do the
don't
next
know
number?
17 table.
Ma'am, can we do the next number?
Yes, but
Ma'am,
before I want
Because
to answer to my
nobody knows
question.
like up to 10. Nobody knows table up to 10 or 12.
Absolutely
Or 30.
perfect. But
Odd
both of-
number.
see, yes. 66 is also an even number. 68 is also an even number, and only an even number can be divided by 2. So if you find
an
an
odd.
even number, you can solve by dividing it by 2. Okay. What is
Yes,
an
ma'am.
even number? When the number in a units place is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. You know what is a unit place and a tens place? Do you know?
Yes, ma'am. Ones, tens.
The number on your right will be units. The number on your left hand will be tens. The number on
Tens.
your right hand will be
Ones. Tens, ma'am.
okay. You are actually, because you are sitting in the opposite direction. And in a simple sentence, the right hand one will be always units and the left hand will be tens.
Ma'am, can we do the next number now?
Yes, we can do the next number now. What is it?
Ma'am,
36,
I
ma'am.
will
6,
do
6
the
are
45 one.
6, 6 are 36, ma'am.
6, 6 are 36.
Very
6, 6 are
simple.
36.
Yes, 6, 6 are 36. Let's keep it simple. 6 into 6 is equals to 36. Perfect. When do we get 38?
Ma'am, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Four, 7 are 38. Again.
The 38, ma'am.
38. What is 4 sevens are 28, not 38.
Yes. 28. Oh, sorry.
So when do 38 come?
And 4, 7 are 38.
Sarah, you know?
No.
38
4
come?
7s are 28, not 38.
Yes. Sarah, you know what is the number? When does 38 come in? In what table?
Ma'am, the 45 one, I will do the 45.
The answer is 19 multiplied by 2 is equals to 38.
Ma'am, we don't know 19
That
stable.
is
Yes, you don't know 19 stable. That's absolutely correct. That is why I'm just giving it to you. So that you have to
Ma'am, you
know.
told it. Ma'am, I know the 19 table, but I forgot the 19 table.
It happens, Vita. It happens. That's not a problem. I will give you an easy way out also. Give me a day. I will give you one easy way out also. I'll just try and do. I'll just simplify this, and I will give to you one more option for this also. Just give me a day.
In before times I know 20 table till 20, 1 to 20, but I forgot.
Okay, that's fine, Ikra. That's fine. It happens. You have to keep on revising. If you don't revise, you'll forget it. Okay, that's fine.
Ma'am, I want to do the 45 more answer. I know the answer.
Okay, what about 42, 45? Now these are the simple ones. When do we get 42? In what table do we get 42?
Ma'am,
And 7, 6 are 42.
Yes,
7,
6
6 are
into
42.
7
Yes.
is equals to
ma'am,
40.
the 5 ma'am, the 45 one is 5 9 the 45.
Yes. I'll write it over here only. Chalo.
Ma'am, 6 7s are 7 6 are.
5 into 9 is equals to 45.
Ma'am, wait. Ma'am, wait. Ma'am, wait. na.
Is yet a big number.
Ma'am, where do we have to write the 5 Ma'am, where do we have to write the 5 answer?
Sorry.
In N, right? In N, we have to write the 5 9, right?
Yes, over here. Okay. For the bigger number, I will give you one idea.
Ma'am, ma'am.
Okay, kids. Now
Yes.
everybody listen
Over
carefully. See, the
Ma'am,
smaller
listen,
number.
please.
Kids, please listen. You take all my energy in this lecture. Chalo. For the bigger numbers, see, we don't know tables. Everybody will not know tables up to 20. So a simple thing, what we'll do, if there's a number like 46, 46 does not come in any table or small table. What we'll do, we'll double it. What we'll do, we will double it. So what is a double of 46? Let me just clear this and I'll show it to you. Pay attention and no disturbance, okay?
Ma'am, 92. 92.
Ma'am, can I ask you one question, ma'am?
If it is pertaining to this, yes. If not, then no.
Ma'am, 45 and
Ma'am,
46
we
and
have
40.
to write 5 nines are 45. Where we have to write?
You've
In
written
N
up
or
to-
over here?
in N.
Ma'am, can I speak after the next one?
Sorry, beta.
Okay.
Now what do we have to write of 46?
Hello everyone.
Okay, chalo. For 46, I'm teaching you something. Pay attention. No disturbance. Okay. What we'll do for a number which is very big and it does not come in any table, we will double the it same. Same number has to be doubled. What we'll do 46 plus 46 plus 46. What is 46
Ma'am,
plus
92,
46?
92. 92, ma'am.
92.
92.
92. What?
Ma'am,
answer will you
where we
get?
have to write this?
Yes, first understand what we'll do 46 plus 46. Now 92 is an even number or an odd number.
Even.
Ma'am, even.
So
Even.
even number has to be divided by 2. So quickly divide 92 by 2. 92 by 2.
Ma'am, is this the answer? 92 by 2.
Answer should be 46 now. So I'm teaching
Yes,
you a
ma'am.
trick for it. 92 divide by 2. Okay, divide by 2. 2 4
Ma'am,
is
2
8.
6 are 12. Ma'am, 46.
Yes. Wait first. 2 4s are 8.
Ma'am, C. Ma'am, C.
Show me properly. Very good.
Ma'am, what is the answer?
The answer is now
It is
the answer
12.
is 46.
Next answer is, ma'am, next answer is 98 divided by 2 is 49.
Ma'am, we will double it. 98, 9,
No,
19,
so what is answer?
49.
92 divided by 2 is 46. What is answer? 92
40, yes.
divided
Nine.
by 2.
Ma'am, this is very easy.
But how did we do it for a number? Because you don't know the table now up to 20. So
Ma'am,
what will we do?
write it
We will
in, right?
simply
Ma'am,
add the numbers. What we'll do? We will simply add the numbers and then divide
Same
it
numbers.
by 2. Same numbers. You have to add it and then divide by 2. You will get the answer. So what
Ma'am,
is the answer?
now we have to write it O, right?
The answer is 92 divided by 2 is equals to
Ma'am, where we have to write? Ma'am, where we have to write?
Wait, I will write it
Ma'am.
down. Wait.
Ma'am, your divide is ulta.
Yes, my divide is over. I scroll the entire thing gets. Let me just clear this then. So this will come here, huh? Give me a second.
Last one. Ma'am, last one I will do.
Okay, what is this? Your 92?
No, the last one I will do.
No, I will do. You have done.
No, I will
Everybody
do. I will
look it
do.
in your book and show it to me. Let me see who does it first. Chalo, quickly.
Okay,
in your
ma'am.
books and show it to me on the screen. 92 divided by 2 is equals to 46. And how are we going to do this? We will double the same number and then divide by 2. You will get the answer.
Oh, 9.
And what is the answer for 49? Chalo, show it to me on the screen. Simple.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, he's done.
Okay, Arhan. Take your time.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, 98 divided by 2 is 49.
What happened, beta?
28 divided by 2 is 49.
Why do we divide by 2? You're asking me that?
3.
28 divided by 2 is the answer. Ma'am,
2
see
and the
my
3, 2
dad.
is 4, 2, 3 is 6, 2 is 2, 5 is 10, 6 is
Very good, Hinda. Very good. Okay.
Ma'am, see my Ikra.
I can see Arhan's page.
2 and the 2
Very
is 4,
good,
2, 3 is
Arhan. But write the
6 is
question
12, 2
also.
7 is 14,
Yes,
2 8 is
very
16,
good.
2 9 is
Ma'am, can you see my Ikra?
Yes, Ikra, I can
Ma'am,
see yours.
see. Ma'am, see, wait. Ma'am, see.
Yes, yes, I can see. Nida, show me yours. Where are you writing?
Ma'am,
Sarah,
see.
Musa.
Ma'am, see mine.
Please show it to me once so that I know everybody is writing with me.
Ma'am, this is 1 and this is, what is this?
I'm waiting for
This is
Sarah
9.
and Musa. Madiha, Mariam, everybody quickly turn on your cameras and show it to me. How are you doing it?
Ma'am, in the swap one.
Yes.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
98 divided by 2 equals 49.
49, yes, perfect. So if you don't know the answer, if you don't know the tables, we will simply add it and divide by 2. Okay?
Ma'am, she copied my.
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
Nida, very good.
I did it my own.
Madiha,
No, ma'am, she copied mine.
No.
I have also did that.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
I did.
I am giving you one number by myself. You have to
Ma'am,
solve
that will
it.
you beat us?
The number is 66. Chalo, solve this.
What?
The number is 66. How will you do this? 66. Quickly do and show
What,
it to me on
ma'am?
the screen. The same thing that we are doing in this table. Now I've given you a number from my end. The number is 66. This is a big number. We do not know. So what are we going to do? We will first add it and then divide it by 2. Quickly, let's
Ma'am, I know. Ma'am, I know why are you dividing from 2? Ma'am, because it is an even number. Ma'am, 132 divided
Ma'am, we have to use addition, ma'am.
132. Yes, yes. Because 66
Ma'am,
should be. Yes, perfect, Arhan. Perfect. 132 divided by 2. What did he do?
Yes, ma'am. 132 divided by
2.
we get 66.
66 plus, sorry. 66 plus 66 is equals to 132. And then what are we going to do? 132 divided by 2. I hope everybody is very sure with this.
Now, once
You have
I
no doubt.
complete the questions down,
We will be doing what is your name, Hinda?
no, ma'am, we have also
Ma'am,
told us
time's
that
up.
you have done.
Time's up.
Why is time's up? It's 12:27. Still we have 10 minutes.
What, ma'am? 1287. 40 or 88?
12:27.
25, ma'am.
Yes, yes, we have time now. Divided by 2. 2, 6 are 12. And
Ma'am, we will not take the 1, no, because 1 is smaller than 2.
so here will be 12.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we will not take 1, no, because 1 is smaller
Ma'am, where
than
do we have to
2.
write
3
this?
minus 2 is 1. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So now the number
12
becomes
again.
Ma'am, where do we have to write this? Where do we have to write this?
Just write it below this question because this is a question
I'm not
from my
well,
end. Now.
Ma'am,
Reference,
2
just
6 are
write it
12.
below. So 2 6 are
Ma'am.
12. Now do you know how do we get the answer for big numbers? Simple.
Yes.
Chalo, moving on to the next part.
Now,
of
what's the answer?
the answer
Ma'am, can we play
Like
game?
92 or
132 divided by 2. Hinda will play game once it is 12:35. Okay.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we do the next one, ma'am? 49.
Yeah, do it.
49. Aye, yaar, why is everybody?
Chalo, shh. Okay, the answer is 24. Complete the question. The answer should always be 24. Okay, so 7 into 3, sorry, dash into 3s are 24. What number 3s are 24?
4 threes at no, not 4.
Not 4.
6 threes are 20.
Ja, 6. Yes, 6. No, no, no.
Now, okay, chalo, wait, slowly. 1 3s are 24? No. 2 3s are
Yes. No, no, no. Yes.
3 3s are, we'll do it slowly.
9. 2 3 is a 9.
3 3s are 9. 4 3s are
Ma'am,
12.
Ma'am,
12.
ma'am, 8 threes are 24. 8 threes are 24.
Perfect. Okay, okay. Kids.
Ma'am, look, I made this.
Very good, Hinda. Very good.
Ma'am,
Okay.
how we will write 8?
5 3s
Where
are,
we?
listen to me at least. 5 3s are 15. 6 3s are
Yes.
18. 7 3s are 21. But 8 3s are 24. So what are we going to write over here? We'll be writing 8 3s are 24.
Ma'am, inside on that or inside or in question mark?
You can write it in the side because there's already a question mark that it will get a little dirty over there. Simple. 8 3s are 24. Okay, 6 into how much is 24?
Ma'am, 6 4s are 24.
Very
6
good.
4s are
6
24.
4s are 24. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. And 6 4s are 24.
72 divided by. Ma'am, 72 divided by 2. Divided by 2.
72 divided by 2, no?
No, no.
Just try. First try with 2. What answer do you get? Try with 2. 72 divided by 2. I'll just do it on the screen.
Ma'am, 36. 36, ma'am.
I want an answer. 72 divided by what number is 24? The answer should be 24, not 36. I'm doing it on the screen. Give me a... Okay.
I don't know.
Ma'am, we will double.
No. First try with 2, then try with 3. First try with 2.
Ma'am, you are freeze.
I'm freezed. Can you all see me now?
Yes.
Yes, you are clear now.
First try with 2, but 2 is not the correct option. But we will try it slowly so that we understand it. Okay. So first we'll divide by 72 by 2. 72 by 2.
Ma'am, 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. So 8 so
Bilal, you're sleeping today.
no, 2 3s are 6, ma'am. 2 3s are 6. So
2 3s are
7
6.
minus 6. 7 minus 6, 1.
1.
And then I carry forward 2. So when do
Yeah.
I get 12 in 2's table?
Ma'am, 2 6 are 12.
2 6 are 12.
Yes, but the answer is 36. Do you want 36 or you want 24?
No.
So now we will try with 3. Just try array. What is happening?
Ma'am, your voice is cracking. And you are freeze.
have to write in C. Ma'am, we have to write in C line.
We have to divide by 3.
The second question.
The second question you have to divide by 3.
Ma'am, can you switch off your video? This is cracking
Now, what's the
video.
answer of it? Can it tell 72?
No, chalo 72 now. But why?
370.
The up one there is C1 or D1?
C1, C. Question number C.
Ma'am, the up one is a
Ma'am.
part of B or C or
72 divided by 3 is 24.
Yes. So what is the answer?
Ma'am,
20,
the up one is
3.
C1 and the down one is C1. The up one is the answer 72.
Give me a minute, just I'll do it quickly. Okay. And then we have 1 and we have 2. Now when do we get 2? We get 3 4s are 12. So what is the answer? 72 divided by 3 is equals to 24.
24.
Chalo, you all do question number D. Dash divided by 2 is 20.
Ma'am, your voice is cracking very much.
Now what's the answer of the D1?
D1.
Yes. Yes. The D1.
Kids, can you all hear me now properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what are we doing? Question number D. Dash divided by 2 is equals to 24. Dash divided by 2. So see, we did this again in up power also now. We doubled it and then we divided by 2. Do you all remember how did we do the upper sum?
Yes.
Ma'am, we are doing the D1, D.
D, we are doing D for donkey. Chalo,
I'm
quickly,
48 divided by 2. 48
yes,
divided by 2.
48 divided by 2. How did we get it?
Yes, 48 divided by 2. Ma'am, you are freeze. We cannot hear you anything. Your voice is cracking and your video is cracking and everything is happening.
Ma'am, your video gone. Ma'am, you gone. Your video is gone. Now what's the last one?
Okay, so how did we do question number D? 48 divided by 2 is equals to 24. How did we get this? We doubled 24. What did we do? We doubled 24. And chalo, double dash is equals to, what is double? Okay, you have to double one number. It will become 24. What is that number? 5 plus 5 is 24.
12. 12 and
12 to the 24. So what is the answer? 12. 12 into 3. 12 plus 12. You have to double it now. So 12
Yes.
plus 12 is equals to 24.
Done. Ma'am, can we keep? Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day. What? Who, ma'am?
Is equals to 24.
Ma'am, what happened? What happened about that kitchen set?
Arey, I forgot to show you now. Arey,
What about the game?
chalo, we'll play
Yes.
a game and he will be sending you the photo right away. Okay, 2 minutes.
Okay,
give 2
ma'am.
minutes. Chalo, one game, one nice and interesting
Ma'am,
game.
it's 37.
Yes, it is 39, but for 2 minutes we'll play and then we'll end this, okay? What game is it? I will just tell you to bring something. You have to run and you have to bring it, okay? Chalo,
Okay,
run
ma'am.
and bring
Okay,
a
ma'am.
blanket. Fast, blanket, blanket, blanket. Run, run, run. Blanket, blanket.
Ma'am, I got it.
Hinda, I got it. Ma'am, Hinda, I got it first.
Sindra.
Ma'am, I got it. Hinda first.
Ma'am, I
Wow.
also got. I also got it.
Okay, bring
No,
a toy. Fast, fast. Run, run, run. Toy.
Ma'am, I got
toy.
it. Ma'am, I got it.
See, I told
Ma'am,
you.
look.
Wow.
I got it. Hinda, Ma'am, Hinda, I got it.
Ma'am, look.
Very, very good.
Ma'am, look.
Okay, run and fast bring a pair of shoes. Pair of shoes. It could be slippers also, slippers or shoes. Run, 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 search for it. Run, run, run. Shoes, slippers, anything can do. Yay, Nida got it. Yay, Nida won. Wow, Ikra
ma'am,
has also
see.
got it. Yes, Ikra, I can
Ma'am,
see.
see.
I finished first.
Where is Bilal? Bilal ran away. Bilal.
Ma'am, see.
Yay, wow, very good. Hairband. Chalo, quickly run and bring a hairband. Hairband.
Ma'am, in here I have one hairband.
Yes, Nida is showing me a hairband. What about Hinda? Hinda, even you are wearing
Ma'am,
it.
look, hairband,
Ma'am,
it was on
see.
my head. Ma'am, it was on my head.
Okay. Okay. Bring a soft toy. Soft toy. Quickly. Soft toy.
I don't have any soft toy.
Run, run. See.
Ma'am, I have many soft toys.
Wow, Nida is showing me a soft toy. Who else has a soft toy?
Ma'am, see.
Wow, Ikra, I love
Ma'am,
it.
see.
Wow, the puppy is so cute. And till a last one, a nice interesting. Bring me a bowl. From a kitchen. Run to a kitchen and bring me a bowl. Fast.
Ma'am.
Run. Hina is running. Nida is also running.
Ma'am, look, Hinda. Hinda first.
Wow, Hinda bought it. Yay, Nida. Very good.
Ma'am, I have also bring.
Yes, I could see everybody. Very good.
Now one more. Now
One
one
more?
more.
Last
One
one.
more.
Something
Yes.
which is a little unusual. Let me just think. What do I say? Show me your mothers. Chalo, I want to see your mothers. Bring your mummy to the screen. And we'll say bye to him. Mummy, call all your mummies.
Can't tell anything else, ma'am, because my mother is not home.
Oh, your
Ma'am,
mother.
my mother is not home. So can you show
My
me,
mother will
please?
not come.
Hello, madam.
Tell
Bye.
anything else, ma'am, please. Ma'am, say anything else.
This is for mummy now. Who else is showing
Ma'am,
me?
say
That should be her mummy. I want to see everybody's mother.
Ma'am, I show.
Ma'am, say.
Where are
Ma'am,
your
say
mother?
anything else, please, ma'am. Anything else.
मम्मी एक बार इधर आना.
Anything else, anything else.
Okay, chalo, last one.
Ma'am, anything else.
Show me your drawing books. Chalo, quickly, drawing books. Drawing books.
See, ma'am. See, ma'am.
Yay, Hinda, show me. Hinda
See, ma'am.
won. Yay. Very good.
Look,
See my mother.
Hinda, very good.
See, ma'am.
Ma'am, I bring it.
Yes, show me. Very good, Ikra. Sarah is also showing me her drawing book. Very good. Madhya is running. Madhya is doing something.
Ma'am, I see.
Ma'am, also look, ma'am.
Yeah, I saw
Ma'am,
it.
here, look, ma'am.
Saw.
Ma'am, look this also. Look, ma'am.
Yes, I saw it.
Have you saw this?
Ma'am,
Very
see.
good. Chalo, ending
This
my
is
session
mandala.
over here. and then definitely we'll continue in your next lecture. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, have a nice day. Happy
Have a nice
holidays.
day. Happy weekend. Enjoy.
Yes. Bye
Ma'am,
bye.
just the last thing, please, ma'am.
Ma'am, kitchen set.
Just the
Ma'am,
last thing.
kitchen set.
I'm sending it right
Just the
now.
last thing.
Right